Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how anyone can build any software application without any coding knowledge, just with the help of AI tools. And the app that we are going to build today is an image predictor. That means when we upload an image, the application should analyze and predict what that image could be. The two most beautiful AI tools, those are helping us today is Claude and Replit. So to someone who is not aware of what Claude is nothing but another AI like ChatGPT, and this is an AI assistant that is going to help us in writing, coding, and sometimes even solving the complex problems. And to someone who is not aware of what Replit is this browser-based IDE. And if you are someone who is beginner or someone who hasn't had any experience in developing or coding, IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Think IDE is like a workspace where you can write, interpret, and compile, even debug the code. It's nothing but all-in-one package of all the things we need to write the code. So what happens is any developer who wants to build the things has to install many things to develop the thing. So to do all these things, you have to go through all the heavy lifting of installations in your computer. But what Replit does is, Replit gives us this inbuilt platform which helps us to code directly once we get this idea of what we are building. And we have many programming languages like Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in Replit. So we don't need to install anything. And if you are a beginner, I clearly say that Replit is the best tool to go ahead and start building things. So instead of just speaking about what we are going to build, let's put our hands on our computer and heads down to build the things. So first what we do is open Claude and just give the input that, hey Claude, I want to build the web application. So give some input command like this. And why I stated to use the TensorFlow model, because TensorFlow model is nothing but an image prediction framework where the image could be predicted by using the frameworks. And especially why I have given CPU is because Replit doesn't work on GPU models, because Replit has this CPU where we can run some code and get the output. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, it started generating some code. Let us try to understand what Claude is saying us. It's saying, please note that running complex machine learning models on Replit CPU can be slow, okay? And then we have this code to run on our Replit. So what we can do now is go to replit.com, type in your browser replit.com. This is how it looks. So if you don't have any account, try to create an account to write a program in this. Or if you have already an account, then just try to log in here. So after logging in, this is how the Replit's interface look like. So what we do now is we have to create a REPL and then we have to code or copy the code that is given by Claude. So we now create REPL and let's choose the programming language that we are going to paste our program. As it is a machine learning model, we just have to write a code in Python. So choose Python and name the title of the code. I'll name it as first app and click on create REPL. As you can see here, it's CPU and saying that I have bytes of RAM and storage 10 gigabytes included, 3%. Okay, fine. So as we have only CPU to run our program, that's the reason why we have included a prompt in a way that our program should run on CPU, not GPU. So what we try to do now is we'll go back to Claude and we have to copy the code that is given by the Claude. So just copy and paste here. It is saying us create a new file called paste the code from artifact. Okay. And create a folder called templates in our REPL. Inside templates, create two HTML files. So we'll try to create upload.html and result.html given by Claude. So create a folder, name the folder as templates and add file upload.html and other file as result.html. So go to upload.html and paste the code there. And we also have to paste the code from result.html. So let's finish that. So instead of putting everything in one place, what it is trying to do is giving us some partitions of code to make things pretty clear. In that way, I feel Claude is the best AI tool compared to other tools like GPT, because it has this accuracy in building things, and also it does things in much efficient manner compared to other AI tools, I feel. So what it is saying is create a requirements.txt file in your REPL with the following content. So let's do that. So click on new file, requirements.txt. And copy the content. We'll just copy this and go to requirements and paste here. So in the Replit shell, run pip install -r requirements.txt to install the required packages. So just copy this command, go to Replit. So if you can't see where the Replit is, where the Replit shell and all, so don't worry, it might be hidden here. What you have to do is click on the three dots which is on the right side, and then you can just click on show hidden files. So now you can see the Replit files here. So what Claude is trying to say is go to Replit shell and install this. So anyway, we have found the Replit shell. What we are going to do now is click on Replit, go to shell here. If you can't find shell console or any other things when you open the app, don't worry, just press Ctrl or Command K. So here you can just type what you are unable to find. If I'm unable to find, I'm going to type shell, and then you can jump into the existing tab or you can open the new tab of shell. So just paste the command given by it and then press enter. So it is downloading all the files that is needed. So let us wait a bit of time until it downloads all the packages that we need. And don't worry if it is taking a little bit of time for you. Normally installing all the packages will take a little bit of time. So yeah, we are here. We got installed all the packages. So now we can run this code and let's see what happens. See how we got directed to web view, and boom, we got it. So yeah, let's choose the file that we can upload and let's see how it is predicting. Let us upload this alcohol, upload. See, it is saying it's beer bottle maybe or wine bottle. It is predicting results, but I don't want results to be like this without any probability in adding in the prediction. So I just want to know what percentage it can be a beer bottle and what percentage or probability it can be a wine bottle and all. So let's try to modify our code. Go back to Claude and share our Replit screen. I want to see the probability of prediction. Update the code. In a way that it displays the percentage of the prediction. So it has given us some HTML and some Python code. So let us update with what it has given. Copy the code and paste here. In Replit, go to result HTML, and then it has given the probability in predictions. If you look at it's a keyword for probability, and let us see what it has given us in Python file. Oh, I think it didn't give us a Python code. So let's ask it again. Provide me the updated Python code. Yeah, it has updated code here. Just copy, go there to main.py. Let us delete this and paste the updated code. So before running the code, what we'll do is just stop this and again try to tap on run. Let us see what happens. Let us choose the file, upload. Able to complete your request, either the server is overloaded or there is an error in application. Let's understand this. Again, we'll try to see where the problem is. Share our screen to Claude and ask, hey Claude, solve the errors, understanding, analyzing the code. So let us update our Python code as it said us. It has added some debugging procedures in the code so we can avoid the errors. What we'll do is we'll copy, we'll stop Replit, we'll try to delete and update. So let's see whether we are getting the accurate result or not. Hey Claude, it is showing error processing predicting results. Solve this and help me in predicting the image estimation. Yes. It has a updated result HTML file. So let's copy this Python code that it has given us. It also has given some updated HTML code. Let us try to copy this and paste in result HTML. Anyway, let's paste this. And again, click on run. Oh, it is not showing any updated results as we have imagined. But no worries, we'll go back and we'll try to ask it to show the prediction in certain format that we want. Let's share the screen. I need the prediction to be in the format like this. Wine 8%, beer 20%, alcohol could be 90%. So update the code to give result in certain specific format. So again it is generating some modified file. for main.py. Let's see how it is going to be. Let us copy this and paste it here, and it is asking us to update result HTML. Join the predictions with commas and display them in a single paragraph. We replace the underscores with spaces and capitalizes each row in same class. Entire content of main.py, updating templates with the folder. Okay, run the application again, try uploading an image. You should now get the predictions like this. Okay, let's see. Result.html. So yeah, we'll see how it works. Okay. It is unable to show the measurement of prediction. So it is just updating the HTML, but the Python code is not going to change. So let us tweak in a way that can predict the percentage of images, percentage of the predictions. So let's see that. Hey Claude is showing output in some dummy codes. I want the outcome to be predicted. What exactly the item in the image can be. So update the code and give me the updated version of main.py. Let us see how it works with this updated code. Let us stop this and yeah, click run again. Perfect. We got our output. See, it is saying that B bottle, the chance is like 68.97% and all. And look at this, we just got our desired outcome. And can you guess how much time it has taken for me to do the entire procedure and build this application? It was just 30 minutes, and with the help of Claude, I have done everything. Don't you feel these AI tools are enhancing the productivity of anyone who even knows coding or who doesn't know coding? But truly, this is like insane because these AI tools have become privileged in the modern world, and I feel anyone can do anything. I mean, anyone can build any software application that they wish to do. Or if you are someone who wants to create impact by building things, you don't need to think twice, like you have to learn from basics, going back, sitting for longer hours. Just try to hop on the tools and get some inputs from Claude. Try to prompt in a way what you want to do with the tool, and once you get some errors, you can just understand why the error is appearing, and just take the error and put it in Claude, get the idea of why this error is happening, and simply just correct it. While resolving the errors, you can learn a lot. So that's how I learned how to do these things. If this helps, don't forget to try this as well. Follow the path that I have shown you now. Definitely you can build what you wish to build. And also don't forget to comment on what you have tried to build by using the AI tools that I have shown you. That's all for today, folks. And if you gain some insights from this video or learn something that is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe. Hit like if you like the way I approached, and see ya.